Are you ready to explore how to handle sensitive conversations effectively? This video will guide you through essential techniques for leaders, ensuring positive outcomes for your team. Discover the importance of empathy, preparation, and clarity in every discussion. Sensitive conversations are crucial for leaders. They help build trust, address problems before they escalate, and support the personal and professional growth of your team members. Understanding the impact of these discussions is essential for effective leadership. They create an environment where team members feel valued and heard. This ultimately leads to a more cohesive and productive team. Sensitive conversations can include discussing performance concerns, personal challenges, conflicts between team members, or delivering difficult news. Each requires a thoughtful approach. By recognizing these common scenarios, leaders can prepare adequately. It's important to tailor the conversation to the specific situation. This ensures that the message is received and understood appropriately. Preparation is key. Know why you're having the conversation, gather all necessary information, and select a private, comfortable place to talk. Being well prepared helps you stay focused and confident. It also shows respect for the other person's time and feelings. This sets the stage for a productive and respectful dialogue. Begin the conversation with a calm, empathetic, and respectful tone. This helps the other person feel safe and open to dialogue. Your tone can significantly influence the direction of the conversation. It's crucial to maintain a positive and constructive atmosphere. This encourages honest communication and mutual understanding. Start by explaining why you're meeting and invite the other person to share their view. Use open, non-judgmental language to set a positive tone. Clearly stating the purpose helps avoid misunderstandings. Encouraging the other person to express their perspective fosters collaboration. This is the foundation of a successful conversation. Listen carefully to their responses. Show that you understand by nodding, summarizing their points, and asking questions if you need more information. Active listening demonstrates respect and engagement. It helps build trust and rapport between you and the other person. This is essential for resolving any issues effectively. Sensitive topics can trigger strong emotions. Stay aware of your own feelings, acknowledge theirs, and take a pause if things get too heated. Managing emotions is crucial for maintaining control over the conversation. It ensures that discussions remain productive and focused. This helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Be honest and direct, but also kind. Avoid being vague. Focus on the facts and how the situation impacts the team or organization. Clear communication prevents confusion and misinterpretation. It shows integrity and respect for the other person. This is vital for building trust and credibility as a leader. Empathy in leadership. Empathy fosters support and openness, key for team cohesion and effective leadership. Work together to find solutions. Ask for their ideas, brainstorm options, and agree on clear next steps to move forward. Collaboration empowers team members and encourages ownership of their roles. It promotes innovation and problem solving. This approach leads to more sustainable and effective outcomes. After the conversation, schedule a follow-up to check on progress. Continue to provide feedback and support as needed. Follow-ups reinforce commitments made during the initial conversation. They show that you are invested in their success. This helps maintain momentum and accountability. Avoid common mistakes like putting off the conversation, being overly harsh or too vague, and failing to listen actively. These errors can damage trust and hinder resolution. Being aware of these pitfalls helps you navigate sensitive topics more effectively. It ensures that conversations are constructive and beneficial. This is essential for maintaining strong team dynamics. As a leader, foster a culture where open, honest communication is valued. Lead by example and support your team in having their own sensitive conversations. Encouraging openness improves team morale and collaboration. It creates a safe space for discussing challenges and solutions. This is crucial for long-term success and growth. For example, when addressing performance issues, set clear expectations, discuss your observations, and work together on a plan for improvement. This approach ensures clarity and mutual understanding. It helps the team member feel supported and motivated. Addressing performance issues effectively leads to better outcomes. This is an important skill for any leader. If a team member is facing a personal crisis, listen empathetically, offer resources or support, and respect their privacy. This approach shows compassion and understanding. It helps the team member feel valued and supported during difficult times. Providing support in crisis strengthens team bonds. This is vital for maintaining a positive work environment. Let's practice. Imagine two team members are in conflict. How would you approach the conversation? What steps would you take to resolve it? Practicing scenarios helps build confidence and competence. This prepares you for real-life situations. Remember, prepare well, set a respectful tone, listen actively, show empathy, and work together to find solutions. These steps are crucial for handling sensitive conversations effectively. They ensure that discussions are productive and positive. Applying these techniques improves leadership skills. This leads to better team dynamics and outcomes. Think about any sensitive conversations you may need to have. Plan your approach using these techniques and practice your active listening skills. Taking action is the first step towards improvement. It helps you become a more effective communicator. This is essential for successful leadership. By mastering these techniques, you can handle sensitive conversations with confidence and empathy. This is key to fostering a supportive and productive team environment. Use these skills to enhance your leadership and communication abilities.